Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's lecture. I am Dr. K. Vidya, Assistant Professor of Physics, Sri Sharada College of Parvana, Salem. My topic is satellite, Earth satellites, understanding the role and impact. We are going to explore the concept of Earth satellite. There are main five questions about Earth satellites. First, what is a satellite? What is the types of satellites? How do satellites stay in orbit? What are the orbits of satellites? And what is the main uses of satellites? These five questions are main questions about Earth satellites. So what is satellite? We all know about there are main two types of satellite, artificial satellites and natural satellites. Satellites is an object that orbit around a planet. It is important in modern life. Artificial satellites or man-made satellites are also in the object placed in Earth's orbit. Natural satellites are called moon. Artificials are made by man, like communication satellites, weather monitoring satellite, scientific research satellite, and navigation satellites. These are launched into space by rocket. Natural satellites are celestial bodies that naturally orbit Earth like the moon. So these are the types of satellites. How do satellites stay in orbit? There are main five orbits. Is called parking orbit, are called low Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, geostationary orbit, polar orbit, diagram of orbit. Basically, satellites are launched by rockets. The rockets are move fast enough to balance gravity. The gravity pulling them down keep circling the Earth without falling is the concept of rocket. So then what is orbit? Orbits of satellites are in main five: low Earth, medium Earth, geostationary, polar, diagram orbits. So here low Earth and medium Earth orbits are nearly closer to Earth. Uses for imagine and geostationary or stay above the same point on Earth. For polar and diagram of orbits or passes over the polars. It is useful for Earth observations. These are the main concept of orbits. Next, satellite function and uses. These are the uses of artificial satellites. There are five main artificial satellites: communication, weather monitoring, navigation, earth monitoring, scientific and research. These are the main five use artificial satellites. First, communication satellites. The communication satellites are mainly used to global broadcasting, mobile phone networks, internet services. So satellites transmit telephone, cells, television, and internet data distance. They are crucial for connecting remote areas and enabling global communications. It's delivering the television and the radio signal directly from home and devices. Okay. Next, weather forecasting. So it's predict climate conditions, tracking storms, climate changes, and all, and navigations. So mainly the navigation satellites provides location and time information used the systems. So we are using used locations in car, smartphone, and also in aircraft. So it is very essential for these applications using transport mapping and all. So before we see the space and scientific satellites are used to study the planets, stars, and other celestial objects. It provides valuable data for astronomical research and other understanding the universe. So now satellites around the Earth. So Hubble Space Telescope, GPS satellite, International Space Station, GEOS satellites. So what is Hubble Space Telescope? So it is the telescope, one of the most significant scientific instrument ever created. There are many purposes to launch this Hubble Space Telescope. Basically, what is the purpose? It has high resolution images and data of celestial objects and allows to locate in low Earth orbit and providing clear view of the universe. So it launched in 1990s by NASA Space Shuttle Discovers. So it is man-made breaking discoveries. So it's determined many studying the formation of stars and planetary systems. GPS satellites using essential for global navigations. So you know the navigations is very essential transportation mapping and precious locations provided for navigation systems used in already we saw about smartphone aircraft these are next international space station multi-purpose satellites for scientific research used. Next, weather observations. So weather observations, it observes many essential climate changes, pollution, and other environment factors, and environmental management, capture imaging data about the Earth's surface. So these satellites are. mainly used for the artificial satellites around the earth. So next main satellites military applications. So it's provide missile launches and other potential threats communications for military operations also. Next, main advantages of satellites: connectivity, science and research, emergence and safety, monitoring climate changes. The diagram shows the all images where it located in global communications and internet access. Next, mass of the sun and its significance. So here I provide four main points. The mass of sun is approximately 1.989 into 10 power 30 kilograms. The sun contains more than 99% of the total mass of our solar systems. It has huge masses. It gives strong gravitational pull which keep all the planet in orbit, including our Earth. The sun masses also created high pressure and temperature as its core, which allow nuclear fusion to happen. The fusion process produce energy and light, making the sun and main sources of heat and light. The next relation between Earth and the Sun masses. Here are main 4 points we given. The Sun is much heavier than Earth. In fact, the Sun masses is about 3 lakhs times greater than Earth mass because Sun is a huge mass. The Sun gravity control Earth movement, isn't it? The Earth orbits the Sun due to Sun is the stronger gravitational pull. So without Sun, mass and gravity, the Earth would drift away into space, isn't it? So these are the simple relations between Earth and Sun. So now we are going to conclude our section. Here are the simple and clear conclusion for Earth satellites. So what we see in Earth satellite, both natural and artificial, play a very important role in our life. What is natural satellite? Moon is the natural satellite. Moon orbit the Earth. Artificial satellite means artificial satellite always help with communication, weather forecasting, navigation, space research, military purpose, GPS is the artificial satellites. And relation between Earth and Sun masses, fundamental concept, Earth satellite significance and importance, telecommunication importance, celestial body importance, and understanding their concept of technology, space explored, and our comprehension of cosmic relations. So they stay in orbit because of Earth gravity and their high speed. So in today's world, satellites are very essential thing for science, safety, and our daily life also. From checking the weather conditions, and uses of map, and uses of broadcasting, finding direction, using the mobile phone. So these are them very important in our daily life. Thank you.